into a delightful experience. And there you have it, a simple, delicious Italian pasta sauce that's perfect for any night of the week. But before we move on to stress-free dinners, let's add those final touches that make your dish restaurant-worthy. First, garnish with some fresh basil. Tear the leaves gently and scatter them over the pasta. This adds a burst of color and a fresh aroma that elevates the entire dish. Next, sprinkle a generous amount of grated Parmesan cheese. The salty, nutty flavor of the cheese complements the rich sauce beautifully. For an extra touch of flair, drizzle a bit of high-quality olive oil over the top. This not only adds a lovely sheen, but also enriches the flavor profile. If you're feeling adventurous, a pinch of red pepper flakes can add a subtle kick. Taking the time to garnish your dish not only enhances the visual appeal, but also adds layers of flavor and texture, making every bite a delightful experience. Now, with your beautifully garnished pasta ready to serve, let's dive into creating stress-free dinners that transform mealtime into a delightful experience. Now that we've perfected our garnishing skills, let's move on to plating like a chef. Presentation is key when it comes to making a meal truly memorable. Even the simplest dishes can look spectacular with a few easy techniques. First, choose the right plate. A white plate is a blank canvas that makes your food stand out. Next, consider the portion size. Smaller portions often look more elegant and allow you to play with the arrangement. Start by placing your pasta in